In this video, I'll go over how to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Roblox. So whether it's on Roblox mobile or the website, here are 6 things you can do. First, you need to make sure you're using a supported browser. So for example, that includes Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Chrome. Then check your browser's security settings. So you will need to ensure that the security settings on your browser allow for Roblox. If these settings are set too high, it can cause a variety of problems ranging from what is listed at the top of this article to website issues such as buttons and links not responding, but this depends on which browser you use, so just search for the browser you use and then Roblox settings. Then check your wireless connection, so just make sure that you are connected. And if your wireless connection isn't working, you can also try a wired connection if you have one. Then remove or disable any ad blocker browser add-ons, since ad blockers can stop an experience from fully loading. And then also make sure that the appropriate ports are open, configure your firewall and/or router. And finally, one of the easier things you can do is to reinstall Roblox, which is one of the first things I would do, along with the other easier options such as making sure you are on a supported browser. But that's 7 things that you can try in order to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.